Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and welcome back to another entry of the Nicole Diaries. Babes, I don't know if it was just me, but it felt like January went by so fast but so slow at the same time. But anyways, we are now in February, which means that if you don't live underneath a rock, for the last 2 to 3 weeks, you've seen Valentine's Day decor, accessories, clothes, etc. all over the place. And with Valentine's Day comes getting the perfect gift. Sometimes you don't want to go over your budget, being it's the beginning of the year, you set out goals for yourself. So today, in addition to running all the other errands that I have to do today, we will be doing some Valentine's Day shopping for those people that want to make a cute little self-care basket for their loved ones. I'm making one for my sister today. She's in college, and who doesn't need self-care, especially when you're in college? But the kicker is that I'm going to be trying to do this under $50 because, like I said, gifts don't have to be very expensive, especially when it's the beginning of the year. You have your budget set, you're trying to do better 2025. So the first place that we are going to be going today is the Dollar Tree, because I low-key feel like the Dollar Tree is so slept on. There's so many hidden gems in there. My arm is starting to low-key get kind of tired, so I'm going to put this down right here. But as far as things for this basket, I have a little list right here. So I'm getting a basket. We need crinkle paper, possibly a candle, a blanket, eye patches, face mask, some kind of fragrance, a card, a little plushie, and then some candy. I feel like that is the most perfect formula for the cutest little self-care basket. So let's get in here. Okay guys, so we just got done shopping at the Dollar Tree. This is all the stuff that I got. So instead of getting that basket that I was going to get, because low-key the more that I kept looking at it, the uglier it got. I didn't like the little L-O-V-E, and it looked like the way that it was going, like in my head, it should have been L-O-V-E, but it was like going the opposite. I didn't like it. I wasn't a fan. My rule of thumb is if I'm getting something for somebody, if I don't like it, I'm not gonna give it to you. Like, what? I ended up getting her this little grocery shopper black bag only because, for one, she's a college student and she could use this again and again and again. She could use this for like laundry if she has like a small load, groceries. I feel like this would be kind of cute, so that's why I got her. And I also got the black because I was originally gonna go with like a whole pink vibe, but then I started seeing things that I liked that was red. So we just did the black so that I could put red and pink stuff in there, and then it'll all still give Valentine's Day. To get into the stuff that I actually purchased, because all of this only cost $13. This really cute scalp massager. This is for like your head when you're in the shower. So cute, and it's in the shape of a little heart. I got her these popcorn little bowls and then some popcorn to go with it, just because like if she's having a self-care night, she might want to end the night watching some movies, and now she has one for herself and another one just in case she doesn't want to wash out the other one, or if she wants to like have her friends over, her girls over. Popcorn night. But it's Valentine's Day without Valentine's Day candy. I got her her favorite Sour Patches, and then I got her this self-care headband. I think I've already gotten her like a teddy bear one, so I guess she just now has another one. I got her a claw clip because I thought this was absolutely adorable. It's like 2 different color pinks. Like, that is so cute. I got her some socks because it had red and pink on it and it's hearts. My sister has the same vibe as me, so I know that she doesn't want anything too extra, too out there, but I feel like this is like very minimal but still giving Valentine's Day. Last but not least, I got her a card. They had like a sister section in there, which is so sweet, and I feel like a lot of places they either have it for like your husband, your partner, your spouse, your mom, your dad, your parents, but they never have siblings. And I'd be like, what if I want to get my sibling something? This card is really cute. It says, "For my sister with love, thinking of you with love today and hoping you know how much it means to have a great sister like you." So cute. And it comes in this little red envelope. So this was my receipt today. It totaled up to $13.37. Our goal is to try and stay under $50 for all of this. So I was going to go to Myers, but low-key, I don't know if I want to go to Myers. It's CVS right across the street, and last time I was in CVS, they had some cute stuff for Valentine's Day. So let's head in there and see what they have. They also have some really good sales too, so why not? We're at CVS. I'm going to see if we could try and pick up a lot more things on our list. So thus far on our list, we've only gotten the basket, the card, and the candy. So I'm hoping that maybe we can pick up like a candle, a blanket, the eye patches. We need a face mask. and a plushie. They did have some cute plushies in the Dollar Tree, but they were like, okay. We're gonna head into CVS now, see what we could pick up, and fingers crossed they have a really good Valentine's section in here. So we are now at a CVS and I got everything that I needed for this basket. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the white oversized throw. I was going to get one that was extremely like Valentine's Day themed, but I'm like, if I get her something cute, she can use this for forever. Like, I know Valentine's Day is very niche, so I think like the white would be really cute. She can put this in her room any time of the year and snuggle with it, and it'll be super cute. As far as the goodies, I got her a plushie. Her favorite animals are sloths, so when I saw this, I was like, I have to get this for her. It's a cute little sloth plushie. I got her the EOS 24 moisture lotion. I love EOS, and I was gonna get her the cashmere one because I have the cashmere one, but personally I got her the pink one because it'll match the rest of the basket, and because I don't want her to be having the same scent as me. Like, it's a good scent, don't get me wrong, but it's like we need some diversity in this house. I can't have everybody smelling like me. Got her this bright fragrance. Now this one says that it says if you like Chance by Chanel, you will love this. My sister loves fruity, lighter scents, and so I got her this one. It has top notes of pink pepper, pineapple, hyacinths, and iris, and then middle scents of lemon, jasmine, and rose, and then the base has musk, vetiver, vanilla. So I just feel like this would be perfect, and it goes with the aesthetic of the basket. And then we did get her some face mask stuff. I got her this hydrogel mask. These are for her eyes, like the underneath the eye part, and then this is for her face. So we got everything for this basket. That we were trying to stay underneath 50. And y'all, that did not happen. That did not happen. I will say all of this stuff was around $45, but then also including the stuff that we got from the Dollar Tree, this basket ended up being around $65. Now obviously you can always do less stuff. It's more so just about getting things that you know that person will love, and I chose to do a bigger basket because my sister's in college. She's gonna need some more stuff, but you can always do a smaller basket. Smaller baskets are cute. Truthfully, I feel like Valentine's Day, it's not about what you get, it's more so the thought in it. That's the reason why girls love flowers so much. It's because like flowers, they come from the earth. Anybody can go rip up some flowers, but it's the fact that you went out, bought me these $3 flowers and gave them to me. Like, it's more about the thought process. Now we are going to go get me some food because babes, I'm hungry. And then after that, we have to go pick up some PR from my PO box. And I'm actually trying to think, maybe I should go home, bag this up, and then we can go to the PO box afterwards, because then I can just drop everything off at the same time. That makes sense. Babes, we are back home and we have the basket. Sushi, get away from the basket, please. So we are just going to take everything out and then try to assemble this the best that we can. Okay, and this is how my little self-care basket for my sister turned out. We got the blanket, her plushie, we got some self-care, the lotion. I ended up taking the popcorn out of the box and putting it in the popcorn little baskets. I gotta write in her card, but we got the candy, the scalp massager, and we got her eye masks. And then this is the fragrance. I put her socks, her claw clip, and headband up here, and this is how it turned out. It's so cute. Babes, it's another day. Just because I wanted to do a little bit more stuff in this vlog is really because now it's February, and I showed y'all how to do like a really cute and easy little basket. What would you call that? Like a little self-care basket. But I was like, dang, because this year for Valentine's Day, I'm not sending my boyfriend anything. He's at basic training. So I was like, what am I doing? And what is like another option for somebody that doesn't want to go the basket route? boom, doing a card. Cards are so easy, so quick, and honestly, I prefer, especially for Valentine's Day, like, yeah, take your girl or your man or your spouse or your partner out to a dinner or something, get some flowers. But what really gets me going, what really makes my heart is when my man writes me letters. Like, even in cards, when he writes me something, I just be like, oh. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this really cute idea that I saw from TikTok, where you basically make a letter look like old and like vintage, and you write like a little love letter, and it's low-key fitting because where is he at? Basic training. Yeah. Before we do any of that, I wanted to open some PR with you guys. I just stopped by the PO box and I was like, why not just open the boxes with the girlies? Y'all are my girlies. I'm gonna take off my jacket. I feel like puffers, every year they get bigger and bigger, and they're cute and all, but sometimes I just feel like they just suffocate me. Like, damn. I don't have a box cutter, so we're just gonna use my key. I'm actually really excited to see what this is because I love the packaging. Y'all let me know in the comments what you're doing for Valentine's Day this year, because stop! Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, the way I've been eyeballing this is from Danessa Myricks, and I've been eyeing this skin tint. Look how beautiful. What I really want to try is their skin tint. Okay, so they sent me their Yummy Skin Glow. That's $34 if you're interested. They sent me the primer. Oh, they're all primers. So these are different colors. Fresh Pressed, Main Squeeze, and Juice Boost. It says Yummy Skin Blur and Glow Primers. So this right here, I love how it's like giving me like a little glow. You see that? Ooh. So it says the Yummy Skin Blur and Balm Powder. This is $36. This weightless formula creates a pore refining sweat and oil control barrier to enhance the application of any base. So this is a primer. Oh. And then they gave me their glow serums, which are these three right here. This is the glow serum, but this is in the shade. This one is Fresh Pressed. It's like a little pinky shade. And then this one is Main Squeeze. This one is more of like a golden shade, similar to my skin tone. And then this one is Juice Boost. Oh, y'all, I'm looking over here on the box. It's on the back. The names are on the back. This is Juice Boost. And it says, so those are $34. And it says a skin care infused radiant priming serum that hydrates, preps, and protects skin. You will put on that serum first and then go on with the balm powder. Well, at this point, babes, let me go to Sephora and go pick up the skin tint so that I could just do a whole tutorial or like a whole review. Honestly, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want a review, because I'm about to review this. I want to try their skin tint so bad. Should we go to Sephora? That was not part of my bingo card today. We might have to go. Now, this is the other box that I got. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is from the brand when they put the little like confetti sprinkle like this stuff in there, it always gets like a little dusty. This is from Even New York City deep conditioning hair mask. This actually came perfect just in time because I need a deep conditioning mask for a little self-care day that I'm gonna have for Valentine's Day, because I'm not going out. We're not going out this year, guys. We're not going out. We're still gonna celebrate, obviously. The first person that you need to love on Valentine's Day is yourself. Before you can love any man, any woman, anybody, any person, you need to love yourself. So, bing bong that. Also gave me their hydrating scalp serum. So cute. Their hydrating shampoo that they gave me, as well as their hydrating conditioner. And this is their leave-in conditioner. So, that's all the stuff that they gave me today at the P.O. box. Let's see how far Sephora is from where I'm at. If it's over a 15-minute drive, we're not going, because I do not feel like driving, for real. Y'all, it's 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes. Okay, so after doing some research, we are gonna go to Sephora and we are gonna go grab that blurring balm powder, whatever thing. I was gonna get the skin tint. We're not getting the skin tint anymore. That's off the list. We're not getting the skin tint no more. We're gonna get this blurring balm powder because for a few reasons. For one, I want to take it with me for travel when I go to see his graduation, my boyfriend's graduation, in like 3 weeks now. Y'all, it's 3 weeks. We've been going through this little journey together. Like, y'all saw me cry, and y'all gonna see me cry again when I see this man. I'm so ready. Anyways, we're getting a little beyond. We're getting ahead of ourselves. After doing some research, I found out that these are primers. They sent me like the radiant one, which is supposed to make you like glow, and then the universal one, which is perfect for anybody. That's hence the universal. But we're going to go get the shaded ones so that it can act as a foundation. And I was gonna get the skin tint. We're not getting the skin tint no more because that one's like a liquid. And if you know anything about TSA and travel, you can only have so many liquids in a carry-on. And I plan on only taking a carry-on because this is a 2-day excursion. Like, really, it's a 4-day excursion, but it's like, we don't need to be bringing a whole bag. We don't need to be paying for a check bag in this economy when we don't need to. On the way back home, I'm gonna grab that paper so that I can do the little love letter. So let's go to Sephora. Y'all, it is cold out there, but we got our bag from Sephora. I ended up just getting the Yummy skin tint only because the blurring balm, they said that it dries matte, and when I put this on, I want it to give skin. So we got it. Let me see how many fluid ounces this is. 1.58. I think you can't bring anything over like 3 on a flight. How many ounces can you put in your carry-on bag?
You can't have more than 3.4 ounces in your carry-on and no bottles of water, soda, juice, or shampoo and conditioner. This is from petergreenberg.com.
So, okay, so this should be fine then. But yeah, let's go to Walmart or wherever they will have, let me see, card stock. Put your shoes on. I hope y'all understand what little meme I'm talking about, because every time I say it to my sisters, every time I say it to my sisters, they don't know what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so we just got done shopping at Walgreens. This whole project is $10. So if you were really trying to find like a Valentine's Day gift that is gonna be cute, romantic, or just you can even do it for your friends and just tell them how much you love them as a friend, do it for your sister, brother, whoever, it's $10. You ain't got $10? I got a poster board. I was trying to find hard stock paper, but I feel like this is equivalent to hard stock paper, right? Also got some coffee. I got these pins so that when I write on it, it looks really cute. So pretty much all of this is $10. Now I'm gonna go home and do this myself. We're gonna end the video this week right here. I'm gonna tell y'all how to do it though. So what you're supposed to do is grab your paper, and then from there, there's a few ways that you can go about it. The easiest way to go about this is just to put some of the coffee, you know, once you make the coffee, that's the first thing, okay? The first thing is making the coffee. Then you're gonna grab your paper and you're going to kind of just drizzle the coffee over it, and you're gonna let that dry. Now some people, they put it in the oven. Don't do that. Some people, they let it air dry, or if you want it to be done quick like me, you're going to take a blow dryer and put pedal to the metal or metal to the pedal, whatever, and you're gonna blow dry it until it gets dry. I've seen people crinkle up the paper and then try to write on it. No, the smartest way to go about this is to write your love letter. And after that, you're going to crinkle up the paper to make it look very vintage. What you're supposed to do is like grab a lighter and light the sides of it. And then, you know, for a girl's touch, if you want to do this, you can put like a little red kiss at the bottom, and it's super cute. It's so cute. Like that is the perfect Pinterest-esque love letter. But babes, that is pretty much it. I hope that you really enjoy this entry of the Lauren Nicole diaries. I'm going to go and make my love letter. Next week's entry will be a self-care routine, so if that's something that interests you, make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna